Mango hazelnut pasta sauce. Raw unripe sour mangoes, dried onion peels, garlic paste, black pepper, salt, and dry roasted hazelnuts. Any black grapes with seeds? I've used Bangalore blue grapes here. Some baby corn and shiitake mushrooms. You can add any other vegetables of your choice. I rehydrated the shiitake mushrooms in water and I've used that water in the blending now. Bake or stir fry or air fry, your choice, the veggies with some of the grapes. Mix a few times and cook until done. While the veggies are getting done, add a little more water as needed to the blender and blend everything. Taste and adjust the flavors. It needs some spice and sweet, so I've added bhut jalakia chili sauce and some organic jaggery powder. Blend again until super creamy. Cook pasta to the texture you like. Add the prepared veggies. Pour the blended sauce over it. Gently mix everything together. Heat it on a low flame. Keep mixing until completely warmed through. Your pasta is ready. Enjoy! Sign up for my newsletter. Go to veganosaurus.com/newsletter. You'll get notified whenever I post new recipes and many more vegan tips. Thank you for watching. Bye.